Hey, this is Coach Kim. I'm reaching out to just share with you something really quickly. I just got off of a team call with my CEO, John Austin from FreeMart. And as you see, the title of this video is Sitting on a Gold Mine. And I want to ask you, what do you do when you're sitting on a gold mine? That is literally what we are doing with this company. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I've been in the networking industry for maybe 15 years or so, have been associated with lots of businesses, too many to name. And I've had experiences from all of them that have been very enlightening, I'll say, some painful, and some gainful. Not many, but just it's always been fun networking and sharing with people and just hanging out with leaders and building leaders. So I've always enjoyed the process. But the money, that is why we are here. From the very beginning, I would tell people, we're not here to swap recipes and to just exchange ideas. We're here to get paid. That's the bottom line. And the side benefit is new friendships and making long-lasting relationships and, just being there for people and making new acquaintances. All of that is a side benefit. But we're here to get paid so that we can have more flexibility. I've always said that more money creates more options. Well, I'm telling you, from my mouth to your ear, understand this. FreeMart is the best company that I have ever seen or heard of. We are not shifting the industry. We are literally creating a paradigm shift, an avalanche, an earthquake, and a tsunami all at the same time. So as Cosmo Kramer used to say, giddy up. It's time. It's time to buckle up, to roll your sleeves up, to get up, to shout from the rooftops. It's time to get paid. We are making millionaires. We have a specific program called a Dream Car Promotion, and it is quite phenomenal. I'm not even going to go into the details. You got to go to our websites to find out for yourself, but it is quite phenomenal. I trust this system. I'm seeing it work before my eyes. I'm building money in my accounts daily. And I said accounts with an S. It is wonderful. And it is for anybody and everybody who wants more out of life, who's tired of the okie doke programs, make a little money here, the shell games, the pennies on the dollar. All that's old. That's out. You can do that for another 10, 20 years. Those programs will always be around. But I'm saying for those of you who want to make some real money, some money with some commas and some money with many zeros, seven figures, 8 figures, it's all possible with this company. I'm seeing it for myself. We've got plenty of good room. So join me. I dare you to join me. It will shift everything you know. As a matter of fact, we don't even call ourselves a network marketing company. We are a buyer's club. There is no fee to join. There is no auto ship. There are no games to play in ranking in order to receive your money. You don't have to buy XYZ in order to receive your money. Our CEO has said, why would I charge you money to build my program? Why would I charge you money to give you the money that you've earned? That's ludicrous. So please join me. I am smiling all the way to the bank, and I just want you to see what we have. We are having a blast. We're building leaders. We're building teams. We're building a better tomorrow. We're building a legacy. So come on out and check out FreeMart and see if you will be well satisfied. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. My link is at the bottom. You know what to do. Come on and have fun making money with your friends and making friends with your money. Talk to you later.